Hey, hey, hey.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited. Not gonna get to clapping. Now pop it for a player, pop it for me.
What?
Turn around and drop it for a player, drop it for me.
And what? Woo. What's up, Bomb Squad? This DC Kool-Aid. This is inside. She left me. We're about to go get some pop pies. We just left Nick game. They lost, but I didn't really record because we got there a little late. So let me see. They got one door locked. What's up, y'all? I got on my, how you call it, PlayStation. I done made it into the bathroom. There go. What's that, y'all? So we got some Popeyes. I got me some.
She's trying to make me talk to y'all. I'm trying not to eat this Popeyes like a savage.
Yeah, we about to eat this. But we was hungry. And we still hungry because we ain't eat yet. So we'll be back after we demolish our food. I will not be recording this because it's not gonna be pretty. What's up, y'all? It's DC Kool-Aid. We done left out the Popeyes. We was at the Popeyes for an hour.
We were?
Just sitting.
Oh shit.
Okay. So while we was in the Popeyes, they were they got time clocks. Well, I need to go out that way. I need to go out that way. The old school time clocks.
Like punch a time clock. I'm like, what in the what? Where in the farfignugan did you get that from?
And he had all the time card things. I ain't seen one of them time card things in a minute. What did he say? Oh, she said?
That was him. He was just saying he thought that they had him. He was texting, Diego was texting him in the middle of him texting me.
That's what I said. Talk to the parent. So, anyway, they was punching a time card.
And it's a new store. They ain't, what the hell?
A new Popeyes.
You ain't got no damn computer program for your baby. I already don't pay them. I already don't pay them babies, but what? What? 7? What the hell is the minimum wage? Whatever that is, that's all they pay them children.
I thought minimum wage went up to $9.
Even so, do you live?
Hey,
Let me tell y'all, we live in the richest county in America. Let me tell you what $9 do for your rent. Nothing. Let me tell you where you can live on $9 an hour. Nowhere. That is not a living wage. A minimum wage. I don't understand. I mean, with the amount of money that America has and the amount of money people go through, you give these people these jobs that don't nobody else want. Because how many of y'all will go willingly into a Popeyes or a McDonald's or anywhere that we done drive our car through all the time with an attitude if they ain't got enough sauce and shit in our bag? How many of us will willingly go in there, fill out an application and accept a job there? And we not a kid. Now Nick can do it.
well, some people have to do it because that's all they know.
Right. But what I'm saying is that you should pay the, I mean, when these people bitch about, not us, but who owns them? When people bitch about making $12 an hour, $15 an hour, the reality is you can't live on $9 an hour anywhere. You can't live anywhere on $7.25 an hour, for real.
Unless you get up.
I have made $7.25 an hour, and trust me, when you go in there, you are at the below poverty level. You're at the extreme poverty level. Even if you work full time, even if you work overtime.
I mean, sometimes they can do that because somebody else is making more money in the household, and some people they not, how you call it?
Excuse me.
Qualified for jobs. Like
that's fine. What I'm saying is, if it's just me
you
and
by
Nick,
yourself,
me and Nick, it was me and Nick. I worked at Walmart, not McDonald's. Worked at Walmart.
Clean that up.
Well, I worked at at Dairy Queen before when I was in college, but I was young. I worked at Dairy Queen, and that's why I left Dairy Queen and went to wait tables, because it was more money. I made money. I make a lot of money doing what I do.
I was like 17, 18, something like that. I worked McDonald's 3 weeks, so I was done.
I bullshit because I'm older and I have a family and it's me in DC. I bullshit. But if I worked like I did when I was younger, when I was Brittany's age or Charles' age, I wouldn't need nobody. I also wouldn't have time. But I liked working when I was young. But now I have a family and other things. But you can't live on that. And they get all booty twisted up because these people want more money. But understand what they have to go through. The little girl getting snatched over the counter by the damn straw.
That was crazy.
The man tearing up, some man went in Wendy's, tearing up Wendy's, throwing shit at people, pushing people. And he had a cast on his leg. I don't know what the hell. He must have been drunk because I was at work and I couldn't hear what he was saying. But he was in the Wendy's store pushing shit off the counter and pushing the computers off the counter. And then one of the boys that worked there, the black boy was tall, because he was taller than the dude that was doing all that tripping. He gonna push him real hard, and I don't know, it looked like the boy was about to walk off, but I think he thunk about it for a second. He thunk about it, and he said, I don't make enough money for this shit. Turned around and knocked his ass down on the floor. What? And then there was another dude standing in line trying to get some food, and he stood on him till the police got there. They go through so much. I go through a lot. People coming to restaurants and places, Walmart, grocery stores. You come in there with this better than everybody attitude, bitch. You in here buying. I ain't got no problem with Walmart. I laugh and shit. I work there. I know how fucked up and stressful it can be. And $7.20, and they pay people. I don't get it. And people who run the stores, these are multi-billion-dollar businesses. I work at Buffalo Wild Wings, but Buffalo Wild Wings is owned by the people who own Arby's and McDonald's and everything. They own everything. You can't pay people no more an hour than what you pay them. Now I understand why servers make $2.13 an hour, because a lot of us, I'm good at what I do. I am. But I'm a bartender. And I shouldn't make the same as a server, because I'm responsible for all the alcohol. I'm responsible for all the beer. I'm responsible for a drawer. Plus I run the bar. Plus I gotta make sure motherfuckers don't drink too much. I gotta make sure the server's doing stuff right. It's a lot. I mean, you know, I went all that way to say, how many of y'all would work willingly go into Popeyes or McDonald's or Walmart or whatever your grocery store is, wherever you stay at, and just pick up an application and work there?
Now these days, whew. Well, the cost of living is crazy.
You wouldn't be able to take care of your family.
Well, it depends on where you live, because if you go way out, further out in the mountains.
But then there ain't no jobs further out in the mountains.
You gotta come all out here.
Then you have to pay. Okay, so we can live. Okay, what we make now, we could go all up in the mountains, have us a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, pool, everything. But it would take us an hour and a half, 2 hours to get to work. That's more gas money. That's wear and tear on the car. Sure. Then Nick would be out in bumfuck Virginia. He had to play basketball with the deers and shit, because ain't no other people out there. Every now and again you hear the music from Deliverance. Scared to go outside. You don't know who done came down from the mountains up there. You're like,
shoot, we got bears. It's probably worse out there.
I ain't scared of no bear, because I don't go where bears are.
The boo-boo. Yeah, boo-boo.
I thought she was like boo-boo. Bear boo-boo. I'm like, why the hell are you scared of that?
What's his name? Yogi Bear.
Oh, Yogi Bear. He was in Yosemite National Park. We're nowhere near Yogi. We're safe.
Not necessarily. We have bears.
But you gotta live. So, damn. Just a little.
And Mayberry. They ain't say nothing?
Not yet.
See, but Nick's supposed to be going to a movie. So we just waiting to see if they going today.
So the boys wanted to go
See Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, Spider-Verse. I kind of want to see that, but I can wait for it to come out on video. I was just gonna take Nick. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. I have a text message.
So we just waiting to get the confirmation. Confirmation.
They're not going to make it today. Okay. Okay.
Who said that?
Nick Diego's mom.
The Diego mom just texted?
Yeah, not enough tickets yet. Okay.
So what they gonna do tomorrow? Tomorrow. Do they want to go to that bouncing thing?
That's cost more than going to the movie. No, I think they just want to go see the Spider-Man verse.
Okay.
I think they just want to go to the movie, which is cool. I'm glad that Nick has a set of friends that he can go hang out with movies and shit like that. He can go hang out at their house. I'm glad that he does that. He's 14 and I have to let him go sometimes. And I don't be wanting to.
She under her breath, y'all.
No, I didn't really. I'm joking.
I ain't saying that.
I'm joking. I want him to go out. I want him to go out and get the hell out the house and go play with his friends and hang with his friends. I want him to do that because that's, you know, that's what's up. Is everybody going to the bank?
No, they probably going to the Trader Joe's.
I want to go to Trader Joe's.
Did you see? See, I told you.
I want to go
they
to
going all to Trader Joe's. We going to the bank.
I love Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's has some good stuff.
Nope, they going straight.
I love random shit, by the way. Y'all know I will go into a store just because it's there. They have different stuff. And she be acting like she don't like it. She eat what I bring home, so it ain't that bad.
Trader Joe's. Trader. You're a trader. Alright.
Alright guys, we'll be right back.
We gotta go in the bank.
We'll be right back.
We'll be back. That's your piece?
Yeah.
Now you're not blurry no more. But then we just had this conversation.
I don't care. You're not the boss of me.
You wanna go to the big lots? That's how you win.
Whatever.
That's how you win.
Whatever.
All I do is what?
Nope.
Win.
Cause I'm going big lots. Alright, we'll be back.
No, we're not.
You got to
20
zap
seconds,
that music
30
out.
seconds.
Shit.
I know how to do it.
Whatever. Whatever.
You're not bright no more.
Now she gonna take me up to big lots and see. Y'all remember when we went before? We can get it out the. We just on sale. We just on clearance. It'll be
No, we
there.
just actually looking for. We need a jar. We need
they
two
always
of
had
them.
it. They always had it.
We need two
But
jars with the lid.
They always had it. But I'm back to what I was saying. What the hell?
That they trying to
the
turn.
Farfig Nugan?
Yeah.
You can't just be throwing your Lexus out there like we won't hit it. We won't. But somebody will.
Well, those lights pretty.
So we gonna go up in here, right? First of all, she let my unicorn get gone.
What unicorn?
Unicorn.
But you got one bigger than that, and it's inside.
I'm talking about for the outside. It lit up, and it's a Christmas unicorn for the outside. Now back to what I was saying.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, and so her ass was flying.
I'm flying, and it was doing 35. I was doing like 50.
So what she said was, it'll be there when it's on clearance. We don't need it now. Just get it all clearance. That's what she said. Now watch ain't shit in here, but
that's
3 rolls of tape and 1 bolt. In my head, that's what you sound like.
Why my jacket all poofed up like that?
Cause watch what I tell you. Some burlap, 3 rolls of tape, and 1 bolt that fell out of bag. It's all the hell up in them. Some shit in Spanish. What the hell we gonna put on the wall? What the hell the thing say? We just hope it say Christmas.
Well, we finally took down the Christmas stuff. Well, no, I'm not speaking French.
She love that French. She did.
I took down with a little help of Nick and the other 2. So
I was asleep. I didn't know what was going on. I woke up and it was dark as hell in the room. I was like, shit, I had to look at the time. Nick had a game. We were late for the game. Oh, well, that's because she said, she told me we had to be there at
I asked Charles.
2:30, but the game was at 2.
Yeah.
So we got there at the second quarter. They lost, but that's all right.
They didn't lose big though.
No, they only lost by about 6 points, but they were undefeated. So I really wanted them not to ever have to lose, because they have not lost. This is their first loss, period. They had 2 scrimmage games. They won those, and they won the first 3 games of the season. So they're actually at the top. So people want to knock them down, and I think this is their first game back after the holiday. So I think this game taught them a lesson. Everybody can lose. Hopefully they won't want to lose next week.
Right.
But I mean, that's a big jump, because their team was on the bottom last year, and this year is on the top. I mean, that's a huge jump. I mean, it's not like they in the middle. They was on the bottom and they in the middle. They went from the bottom. I mean, the very bottom. How many games they won last year?
I don't want to talk about it.
Game.
A game.
Did
They won
a game.
They might have won a game.
Did they win 2?
Think so.
Anyway, but they was at the bottom. They was at the super bottom. They was at as bottom as you can get.
Charles looked like he wanted to cry when he started talking.
Yeah, and this year they're at the top. I mean, they're number 1. So
number one.
I mean, this game, they look like they had forgot everything, but it's, you know, I don't want them to have fun. I don't want them to feel like, you know, shit. I don't want them to feel like
shit.
What I'm looking for, shit.
You just said it.
But that's not, I don't want to feel like shit. I don't want to feel like if you don't win, you're awful. No, I mean, no, everybody can lose. You got to be able to lose as good as you can win.
Right.
So I was cool with that. They was doing some crazy shit, but hey, it was what it was. But they didn't get blowed out. But a loss is still a loss. It's still a loss, baby.
It's still a loss.
Oh, all right. My song on. Where did it?
What song is that?
Can't wait to get home. Nah, girl, I got something else to do.
What you gotta do?
Really?
Alright. Alright guys, we made it inside the Big Lots. You sure? You sure? Yeah. Alright. So this is what they got.
See what I mean?
What you mean? They got, it's 50% off. No. Walmart is cheaper than that.
You don't want to go to Walmart?
Nope.
I see what you call my Walmart.
They got Christmas cards for half price. These are pretty. Y'all don't see these if we mail them to you. How many in there? I don't say. 6? I don't need. I need a lot.
Yeah, get the other one. Get 2. Get those.
How many in there? What'd it say?
18. 18.
What'd it say though?
It's the time of the year.
I'm sure they got some more.
No, maybe they probably don't.
No, I saw the lady with some. I'm sure they got another section of this stuff.
Okay, let's go see.
They got a. Oh, look at them cookies they got. No, you shouldn't eat them things. White fudge shortbread. Oh, look. Kettle corn. I'm good. I'm good. I'm trying to stay away from that stuff for real. Hey, y'all, look what kind of candy she's been looking for. Show them.
She wanted hard candies, and I said I should have got the candy. Oh, look, baby, they got the pretzel rods. They got pretzels. Chocolate covered pretzels.
She see a lot on sale. They probably got some more somewhere else. They just somebody stuck them there. They got a gingerbread house. I don't want to see another gingerbread house.
I'm gonna carry those around.
You gonna walk with them?
Yep. I might not get them. I am.
She gonna walk with them, y'all.
I want the life.
See, look, St. Patrick's Day. Look at that, y'all.
See, I told you, there'll be some bowls in the table.
You know, Walmart got stacks of them.
Yeah, a bunch of.
But theirs is 75% off, so we can hit Walmart tomorrow if you want to. I just don't want to go today. See, they got some more Christmas stuff on sale over there. Told you. And then they got over there, a little table over there. They got some St. Patrick's Day. Told you. Told her. Look, look, see? Then they got Valentine's Day over there. Huh? They got onesie on sale. Everybody's buying their onesies. They got clearance back there. Ooh, my stomach. Look, y'all. Bae. It smell like Christmas. Smell this. It smell like Christmas. Smell that.
Okay.
I know I ain't crazy.
It smells like tinsel.
Christmas.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah.
Duh. 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 They got a whole box. Yeah, they know they wrong. They doing half. Duh. 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 They got a whole box. Yeah, they know they wrong. They doing half when Walmart doing whole full 75% off. This cute too. Look. Look, the countdown. The countdown. You take the block out and count down to Christmas. Let's go see what they got over here. They got just regular clearance.
She left me alone. I don't know why she would do that. Doesn't seem like a smart move. You know what I'm saying? She left me alone with y'all in big lots. Like I want to go buy stuff. Like I want to go put stuff in the base. Who does that? That's not a good decision. You know what I'm saying? That is not a good decision made. So I'm over here in the clearance trying to see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Trying to see what's up. Oh, here. It's a lot of, my hair got a lot of curl to it sometimes. So I don't even know, this is a lot of summer stuff, which I guess would be good. I changed the house, I changed the house around, guys, so I guess it would be good for that. I like to make stuff look different. Yeah, no. You know how you girl do. I don't know. I'm just looking right now. I like that. It says, throw kindness around like confetti. That's actually a good thing. It's a good thing. People should have more kindness. I need to get Nick a lamp. Y'all know I got him a lighting thing that needs a lamp, but I forgot to get the lamp. Because, hey, that's who your girl is. She forgets you. So let's see what they got going on. I guess that's what's next. Y'all know that's our anniversary. So, you know, I do the 7 days of Valentine's. Oh, what is this? Y'all, hold on. A calendar. I see it. Unicopia. Oh, look. It's a sloth-a-corn. Here, let's see what February is, guys. Oh, I can't get that. Oh, it's a panda corn. What is March? That's the best month. It's a tiger corn. Do people even use calendars anymore? I know, I look on my phone. The little Chinese restaurant that we always go to. Gave me a calendar. Got a calendar already. I like those pillows, but I bet they're not on sale. We will see. But look. That is Valentine's stuff already out. What are we gonna do? I'll be back.
What's up, Bone Squad? So, we back home. And guess what? I decided to put their new toys in there. The birds. And look where they at. They sitting up there. Can you see them too? They is on the loose. Both of them. If one go back in here, the other one will follow suit. But I can't get, they looking like they want to go. But I feel like they trying to go night-night because it's dark time. So, I bought this in the kitchen, close to them so they can see their house. But they just refuse to move. Come on, y'all. Come on. So I turned the light off, thinking they know it's night time and they would go back in their cage. See, my other birds I used to have when I was young, they knew to go back in. But these two here, that one to the right, Poppy went upstairs to the Nick room. She done took a field trip. Come on. See, I don't want them to be flying and running and stuff. They already did that. I don't want them trying to hurt themselves. But look at them. And they looking at me. Come on, y'all. Come get in your cage. Come on. Look. I ain't say get up. I said come get in your cage. Alright, y'all. We be back. Update. Look where they at. Like they gonna clean this dang kitchen. Come on now. I moved the cage over. They scared though. My birds was never scared. I don't know why they act so scared. One jumped, the other one jumped. I think that's what it is. But I had him for 2 years, so he should know better by now. Come on, Petey. Petey. Get in the cage. Oh, it's blurry. Let's see if we can get him now. Petey. Petey. Come on. Petey. Pete. I'm on this side. He over there. Come here, Petey. He like he don't want to hear that. Petey. Come on. This was not in the cards tonight, y'all. At least in there doing real talk. I'm trying to catch birds. Come here. Petey. Petey. Oh. We be back. We gonna try. Oh, Poppy up there. Look, Poppy done switch location. Update. Now, he's up there on the refrigerator. And she is on the pot. These are gonna get her. She's on the pot. I don't want to go around there because I don't want her to get scared. So that's what's happening. 2 hours later, they are still.
That makes sense.
2 hours later.
I think, yo, come on, bro. I'm 10 away. I'm 10 points. 10.
Look at this. Wait till Lisa get in here. She gonna be like, And then he made boo-boo on the stove.
2 hours later.
Hell wrong with y'all. What you looking at me for? You're on the frying pan. Might want to rethink your situation. Bird. Yeah. That being said, I guess you are a flyer, huh? Why is you sitting up there looking at me? That's Poppy up there. This Petey right here. Petey is the darker one.
I actually don't think that.
You gonna get up in here? You gonna go in this little cage for me? Come on.
I tried that.
I don't know. Some kind of way we got him in there. I don't know how many me and Freddie got him in there. You shit one more time on my stove.
As far as they would.
Go on your house.
See?
I don't know why they came in the kitchen. They get stuck in here. Come on. You shitting on my damn bird shitter. Come on. I want you up there. Come on. I want you up there.
Uh-oh.
You know what? Actually, you know what? I'm going to change my answer, actually.
Now that one over there.
Alright, that's fine. Because I got that one.
She got one.
I need that close to me. I don't care.
How did the birds get out?
We have no idea. They was doing something. I don't know what she did.
I put the new toy in there and I was filling it with water.
And they just both came out.
I must have left out and forgot.
Mom, you left them.
Nick came to get some water and said, oh, do y'all know the birds are flying around?
Bruh.
I don't care.
Look it over. I need him to sit right there. Grab me one of those right quick. That's all I need.
Yeah, you still be there.
I know. You want to put your ass back in there? Stay there. Charles, he's not gonna poke your eye, baby.
Charles jumped.
Just over, just over.
Baby, he's gonna get hurt. Because you don't have a thing to close him in there.
Charles is calling. You go that way.
Babe, you can't be scared. Charles is scared of the guinea pigs.
Can you please get back? Because you don't want to scare him out.
Talk to him. It's okay.
Go. You can talk to him now, huh?
Hey.
Oh. Give me the thing, baby.
You called him last time.
It's okay, baby. His heart's racing.
Mm-hmm. Come. I need Charles is taller. So what's gonna happen is Charles going to.
He's gonna have to come down.
No, Charles.
No, wait a minute, he might listen to the other one.
Charles is gonna go in there. You're
Hold
gonna
on,
go
Mom,
low.
whistle. Is there something behind me?
You scared?
You get him one of the things. Get him the bucket.
No,
Charles, you go high. Britt, you go low.
Here. You gotta close him in, okay?
Now go slow, Charles. Go slow. And just kind of talk to him slow.
Hey.
Yeah, that's cool. Hey, it's cool. It's okay. Hey, it's cool.
You wanna
hey,
come in
it's
here?
cool.
Give me some food. Where's the bird food?
Just go under. See how he's ducking down? He's ducking down.
Oh, is he in there? No. I can't see.
It's cause you just gonna go under.
But
And
baby,
then
you
kinda
have to.
scooping back. It'll kind of, cause see, y'all are tall.
Come on, fool.
But you won't be scared of him after this, cause
Babe, sandwich him in. We're gonna go like this. Come on.
yeah.
He went around, y'all.
Oh, is that door closed?
He's
Yeah.
not going in the door. And to our door.
He's probably tired of
Yeah.
crying, y'all.
Yeah, he'll stop in a minute.
You got a box?
You gonna take the food?
I don't know.
Food box? What you gonna do?
Wait a minute, he's somewhere around there.
You right there.
Oh, he on the floor?
He wait for Callie.
Hey, what you waiting on?
Come on.
Babe, are you gonna be scared or you gonna
Come on, come on.
He closed that.
He close it?
Yeah.
Leave it there. Hold on, okay? Kind of scoop him up. Cause you don't want. Hey, somebody, come on.
All right,
Give me
y'all.
paper or something.
No, you're gonna use them two things and bring and put them together. Like I put the other one in there.
Baby.
Just kind of scoop them together.
Oh, don't smash him, babe.
I'm not smashing them.
All right, Brittany, let him go so he can come out. Charles, you have both of them?
Yeah.
Okay,
Go ahead,
Brittany,
go.
let him go so he can come out.
He in there, babe?
Yeah.
Let him
Keep
go
it
so he
closed.
can come out.
Babe, keep it closed, babe. If that thing open, he's gonna fly.
There you go. Come on.
Get ready. Who's more bored?
Keep it closed, babe.
Babe, I got it.
All right, so he's in the red one. He's in the red one. All right. So push this in, that'll go in.
Take the green one away.
All right, hold on. I want to push him.
Oh, he's gonna fly out, y'all. This is
Brittany, hold on. Brittany, hold on.
this is so he don't. He's about to.
We need to just turn it around. Just turn it around. Just turn it around. Do it that way. He has a little opening. There you go. Get out. You can get out. Get out. There you go.
Close him. Just close him in there with the thing. Close him in there with the thing.
Brittany, go back away because I'm not scared of the birds, so screaming is not going to help. I'm going to get this out. And there you go.
Sheesh.
Teamwork.
You're welcome.
No,
It was 2 hours.
2 hours later.
First of all,
We been home from not even.
first of all, me and Brittany got the last time that they broke camp.
He shitted on the stove.
Ew, for real?
Yeah.
I'm sitting there like, you shit on my stove again, see what happened. Sitting your ass on my frying pan,
So,
shit.
Mom, how did you do this? You left the thing wide open for them?
I don't know what I did.
I think they break out sometimes.
Y'all okay?
Maybe I don't know.
Y'all good? Y'all tired, huh? Y'all gonna sleep tonight. All right, y'all.
Yeah, but it's on my damn.
Free Petey. Free Petey.
Petey's the bird.
Do this video so I can.
Yeah. DC Kool-Aid and Lisa doing challenge on your head top. Yeah, you know what's happening when you tune in. Story times, pranks, and vlogging, man. We a great big family, we the bomb squad. We on that grind to a number with a K, best believe you'll stay. You can chill with the fam like most of y'all do. DC Kool-Aid, Lisa, and Nick too. With Charles and Barbie living that YouTube life. We love our fans and supporters, we a family dude. So come on down to Bomb Squad Tower. Have a seat watching videos. And nobody likes to hate, keep it positive and have a nice day. Oh, I forgot. Smash that like button. Bomb Squad. Bomb Squad. Bomb Squad.